What's up, guys? We are back at it for another weekend. This time we are in Anaheim, California. The sun is shining. It's about 75 degrees outside, and we are in the middle of getting my motor back in the truck. We just got the old one out. We're cleaning everything up, and we're gonna get the motor in and then do some other stuff on the truck and get ready. Last weekend really was not in our favor. First round, it's just part of racing. It is what it is. We ended up throwing a connecting rod in the bottom of the pan, and it's just one of those things. We thought we had it, our good motor underneath of us, and just parts. It's mechanical. Things are gonna fail, and it just ended up failing at the wrong time. But hey, we're gonna keep our heads up. We're going in this weekend. We got 2 awesome events ahead of us. We're going into it excited. We can't wait. Anaheim's my personal favorite place to compete at, and awesome fans, atmosphere, food's great, so I'm looking forward to it. Last weekend, because of the rain, there was no practice, so therefore round 1 of racing was the very first time any of us had attacked the track, and I had a little bit of luck on my side to make it to the finals, but I know where I need to get better. Mike knows where he needs to get better. We're dialing in both trucks. I made some big adjustments on mine, whether it's in the shocks or foilings or whatnot. I made changes there. Mike's truck's all brand new, so we have to completely dial that in because it's completely different. It's a lot heavier, a lot more lower center of gravity compared to his old chassis. So, but we're just gonna keep making progress, keep our heads up, make the best of it. Everyone, it is race day. As you can see behind me, it is raining. We cannot get away from the rain, but we're going to make the absolute best of it. We're going to get a little bit worse of it than we did in Oakland last weekend. This weekend's a 2 events. We got one tonight, which is Saturday night. Tomorrow is Sunday. Yesterday in practice, we were able to make some decent passes, not the best. We were experiencing some electrical issues in the RI. It was allowing the ignition to cut out on power, but we got that fixed. You can see behind me, we're getting ready here for pit party. Going to give the fans the absolute best experience we can, rain or shine. That's what we come here to do. So stay tuned, and we're going to try to get some awesome footage for you guys. If we can't, certainly apologize. It's just me and Mike's on the team, so it's hard to kind of make sure we do what we need to get done and also film at the same time. But if you like what we're doing, be sure to like, subscribe, comment. If you guys want to see anything in particular or ask questions or anything, be sure to fire away. We're excited to be doing this, and see you out there. What's up, guys? Here we are. It's the calm before the storm. It finally stopped raining for at least 5-10 minutes, enough for us to park trucks from pit party. We're here cutting the windshield. Did a little flap action, so when it starts raining during the event, our feet and stuff don't get wet from a giant hole being in the windshield. We got Mike over here cutting his windshield out too, so whenever we go out on the track, trucks in front of us during intros, or just the rain and mud flying from the tires, mud sticks to the windshield. These aren't like cars. We don't have windshield wipers, so our visibility goes from almost 10% to no percent. So we're trying to make the best of it. Either way, rain or shine, mud or not, we're gonna have a good time. Anaheim, California, Saturday night. It was a good one. It was a fast one. It was something that I'll always remember. This is probably one of the funnest shows I've done in a while. Slipping and sliding in the mud, the crowd cheering us on. The crowd here was unbelievable tonight. To stick out all this rain, it rained from the time the event started to the time it ended. It was awesome. We made it to the semifinal round in racing against Adam and Gravedigger. Ended up bobbling, but hey, can't take nothing away from him. He started in the mud, and he's great at it. So moved on to two-wheel skill, tried something new there. Didn't quite work out what we wanted to do, so we moved on to freestyle and had a solid run there. And yeah, so we're gonna wash up, get ready for tomorrow. Mike, he's in good shape. Started to get a little bit of electrical issues again with us. Started, cutting out under power. So gonna diagnose that and hopefully get after it. a wrap, Anaheim. Second event of the weekend, Sunday. Cannot get away from the rain, the mud. Today was a little bit better than yesterday, track condition wise. We also made it to the final round of racing against Jamie Gardner and El Toro. Good time, man. He's fast, sliding around in the mud, foot to the floor, just hitting your points. Can't ask for nothing better than that. Mike, he's suffering some ignition electrical issues. Whenever he's on power, it just keeps cutting out. We cannot find the problem no matter what we try, what we do. We just cannot get away from it, so we're just gonna have to dig deeper. As you see behind me, we're washing the trucks, getting them ready for loadout so we can hit the road and head back home. I'll be sitting out for the next 2 weeks. Me and my wife, Kaylin, we're adding the family, so Paul Jensen, he'll be filling in for me in St. Louis and Miami. So I'm not sure if we'll get much content to you guys, but other than that, it's been a heck of a weekend. Anaheim fans have been awesome. We've had a great time. We'd love to come back on better weather conditions, but until then, wash these things up, load up, get out of here. Peace.